Okay, we're on the plane.
Hi, this plane is awesome. See,
Why is it awesome?
Look at this, look at this. So, we have this beautiful outlet. It's gorgeous.
She got
And then we even got this
a gift
bag.
bag.
It's awesome. And then we get some blankets. Like, we get this blanket. And then we get an Icelandic Airplane pillow.
and they gave us some free
Water.
water.
An outlet is like
Icelandic
the best thing
glacier
ever.
water.
But I mean, like, I really needed that outlet, so.
So we're rocking out here on the
Yeah.
airplane. Gonna take a nap soon.
No, we're not.
I'm tired.
I'm not.
Okay, bye.
Wait, no, not yet.
Not yet. Why not?
Because there's even a TV. Alright. Alright, well, we are on our way to Paris. Well, first Iceland and then Paris. After we take off and we're allowed to have our stuff, then I will show you this beautiful outside. It's gonna be really dark, so yeah. See ya.
Bye.